Governor Lilia Pineda for her welcome remarks.
Yung basura ng Canada, I want a boat prepared. I'll give a warning to Canada maybe next week that they better pull that thing out or I will set sail doon sa Canada, ibuhos ko yung basura nila doon.
Pangalawa po, Mr. President, ay ang PhilHealth.
Why natin ang Canada? We'll declare war against them. Kaya man natin yan sila. Sa uli ko talaga. Tingnan mo. Ikarga mo yan doon sa barko, load it, the containers to a ship, and advise Canada, I will advise Canada that your garbage is on the way. Prepare a grand